Alrighty, so welcome to Reed's Outdoors. Just got here, just pulled into the property here, and walking out onto the food plot. As you can see right behind me, right there, that's one food plot on the property. So I guess we're gonna come out here, and I've been wanting to go coyote hunting for a while. You know, there's a lot of coyotes on the property, and trying to help maintain them so they won't hurt our deer population too much. But we're gonna see if we can get us a coyote down. So yeah, this is Reed's Outdoors. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and get set up. Alright, so we're set up. I got the remote right here to the call. You see me? I got the remote right here. Got my gun right there. I'm gonna watch this food plot right here. And this food plot over here. I'm sitting out blind. See if we can get this party started. Alrighty. Well, just got out of the blind. Didn't go too good. We did get something to come in though. I wasn't able to get my camera up fast enough to catch it on film, because the coyote, he came out on this food plot right here, like right up yonder, and he stuck his head out and he just went right back into the woods. And he stood there for a minute. Just for like 15 seconds, he stood and he looked out across the food plot, and he just didn't want to come out in the open, I guess. I mean, he came out, he stuck his head out, and he turned around and went right back in the woods, and he just didn't see something. He seen something he didn't like, so, oh well. Maybe next time. But I'm about to head to the house. I gotta grab the call right here. I had the call kind of hidden right there. But I'm about to head to the house, go home and edit this video. I guess I'll see y'all later. Y'all remember to hit like, subscribe, and I will catch y'all later. And there'll be plenty more videos where this came from. We got turkey hunting coming up this springtime. Yeah, I know y'all ready and I'm ready, because I love turkey hunting. I'm ready for it, man. Can't wait. Matter of fact, when I was coming down here, I actually seen turkeys crossing the road. I seen about 7 of them. Every one of them are hens though. So, every one of them are hens. But I guess I'll catch y'all later. This is Reed's Outdoors. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all remember hit like, subscribe, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, whichever. And I'll catch y'all later.